ohmathgad.
ohmathgad everyone, welcome back to today's video in which we're going to continue tackling the subtraction of algebraic expressions. So in today's example 2, we're going to be doing another problem in which we're going to be solving like terms. We're going to be reducing as much as possible the subtraction of two trinomials, and let's get to it. Let's begin. Okay guys, so as you can remember from the last video, which I will try to be linking down below, the subtraction of algebraic expressions can be carried in two simple steps. The first one is that because you are subtracting, there's going to be a negative sign before a parenthesis usually, and then this negative is going to be multiplying each and every one of the terms inside the parentheses. So that means that because we're multiplying by a negative sign, we can take everything out changing the sign. Then after that, you have to reduce like terms, right? So numbers with numbers and coefficients of the same variable, so x and x, y and y together, okay? So let's try solving the problem. Okay guys, so today's problem is 5j minus 2q plus 2 divided by 5 minus 4 minus 3j minus 1/2 q, okay? So again, we are going to be multiplying negative times positive, negative times negative, and here negative times negative as well. So let's copy this. So it's 5j minus 2q plus 2 divided by 5. And then negative times plus 4 is minus 4. Negatives times negative 3j is going to be positive 3j. And negative times negative 1/2 q is going to be positive 1/2 q. Okay? Now, we're going to reduce the like terms because that is the step number 2. So we have 5j plus 3j, and that is going to be 8j, minus 2q plus 1/2 q. So minus 2q plus 1/2 q, minus 2 plus 1/2, and then q. So minus 2 plus 1/2 is the same thing as we have to find the common denominator. So 2 divided by 1 is 2, multiplied by 2 is minus 4, plus 1. So that is going to be minus 3 divided by 2, q, because we cannot forget the q that we have here, right? So minus 2q plus 1/2 q is minus 3 divided by 2, q. And then we have two numbers, which is 2 divided by 5 and minus 4, right? So remember guys, 2 divided by 5 minus 4 is higher, right? 2 divided by 5 minus 4. So because they have different signs, we're going to subtract them. And we have 5 is the common denominator, divided by 5 is 1, multiplied by 2 is 2. And here the denominator is 1, so 5 divided by 1 is 5. And then multiplied by 4 is minus 20. So 2 minus 20 is minus 18 divided by 5. And that is going to be the number that we're going to put here. So 8j plus 3/2 q minus 18 divided by 5. So j, q, and a number, we cannot further simplify that, so that is going to be our answer. Now guys, it's very, very important that you remember to, first of all, people make usually very common mistakes here, not changing at least one of the signs. So remember, everything has to change its sign when we have a negative outside the parentheses. And the other thing is reducing like terms, right? So we have to put the letters where letters have to be put, and we have to reduce like terms and remember the rules of the signs. So guys, make sure you repeat this video, rewatch it, and practice on your own, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye everyone!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!